If you're a student or beginner trying to understand IT, information systems, or programming without the confusing jargon, welcome to LD Tech Lab. Make sure to subscribe, and let's break this topic down step by step.
Java beginners usually focus on syntax, semicolons, brackets, correct keywords. Syntax is important, but it's not the real enemy. Syntax errors are visible loud caught by the compiler. Logic errors are different. Logic errors, compile successfully run without crashing, produce wrong results silently. A program that compiles is not necessarily correct. Syntax is like grammar, logic is meaning, and Java never checks meaning for you. Thinking error number 1. Thinking in English. Beginners often think like this: if the user is logged in, show welcome message. But computers don't understand intention. They only understand exact instructions. This doesn't work. If user is logged in, this works. If is logged in equals true. Programming is not translation, it's conversion from ideas into precise operations. Thinking error number 2. Assuming the computer knows what you mean. Many beginners believe the computer should understand what I want. It won't. Computers don't guess, don't assume, don't fill in gaps. They execute exactly what you wrote, nothing more. If your condition is incomplete, Java will not fix it for you. Thinking error number 3. The assumption trap. This is one of the most dangerous habits. Beginners assume variables already have values, array indexes exist, user input is valid. Java treats assumptions as false unless proven. Uninitialized variables, array index errors, unexpected input. Java is strict because reality is strict. Let's talk about error types. Syntax errors, easy. Runtime errors, manageable. Logical errors, they are the most dangerous. Because the program runs, results look reasonable, bugs hide silently. This is how bad software reaches production. Java will never tell you, this logic doesn't make sense. That responsibility is yours. Imagine this: you want to add two numbers, but your code subtracts them. Java compiles it, Java runs it, Java prints the result. Wrong output, no errors. Java didn't fail, your logic did. This is why beginners feel confused, because the feedback is silent. Stop thinking like a human. Humans infer meaning. Computers follow commands. Ask, what is the current value? What condition must be true? What happens next? Treat every line as a literal instruction. Before running your program, simulate it. Line by line, value by value. Tracing exposes logic flaws faster than guessing ever will. Especially in loops, conditions, counters. One of the most powerful tools beginners ignore. Print values, print execution paths, print assumptions. Invisible logic becomes visible instantly. Debugging is not weakness, it's professional thinking. Most beginners rush to write code, but speed doesn't create correctness. Clarity does. Slow thinking reduces bugs, improves confidence, builds real skill. Fast typing without logic builds frustration. Java isn't confusing. Java is honest. If your code doesn't work, it's revealing a gap in thinking, not intelligence. Fix your thinking, and your code will fix itself.
If this video helped you understand the topic better, please like, subscribe to LD Tech Lab, and comment below what you want to learn next. Your questions help shape future lessons.